7:17 on this Saturday morning, and finally the weekend is here, and it is a very mild start to the day. Numbers in the middle 60s. This is Doak Campbell Stadium, courtesy of WeatherStem, where we've got low cloud basis. The sensor there at the airport picking up foggy conditions, certainly reduced visibility for flights going in and out, so certainly being a little bit more careful there. St. George Island, though, golden hour here. I'll step out of the way so you can see the beautiful sunrise over the beach here. It's 67 degrees with a southeast wind at 6 miles per hour. We're going to keep those south winds cranking throughout your Saturday, anywhere between 5 and 10 miles per hour, and that's going to help keep moisture around. And so that's the big reason why we've got the fog in place, the very muggy air mass over the relatively cool land. I see temperatures climbing up to near 70 degrees over the next couple of hours, and we'll keep the cloudy skies for the first half of your day. The low-lying stratus start to get mixed out by the early afternoon, and we see sunshine, partly sunny skies. That is going to help get us up to the middle 80s for highs this afternoon. Do notice that rain chances is 0 this morning, but 10 in the afternoon. I think 10 to 20 is reasonable, so a stray shower not out of the question. And we're starting to get to that time of year where, with the lack of rainfall we've seen, we absolutely need it. And there were a few good downpours the last couple of days, including the one in Madison County yesterday that even prompted that severe thunderstorm warning. I think eastern spots are going to have the highest possibility of showers, and again, that rain chance is only 10%. In between any rain or clouds, it's going to be in the 80s. 84 Tallahassee and Quincy, 86 Liberty County. Along the coast, still starting to warm up there along the Gulf, where we're looking at numbers closer to the low and middle 70s, 86 for Live Oak and Hamilton High. Now, if you do find yourself heading to the coast where temperatures are going to be near the 70-degree mark, water temperatures are approaching 70 degrees. Maybe a little bit of a chop on the waters today. Southeast winds 10 to 15 knots, especially in the morning hours. I think as we get later on in the day, winds start to lighten up a bit along the coast, waves up to 3 feet. A moderate chop too. And by the way, UV index is starting to get very high, so be sure you're lathering on that sunscreen as you're heading out and about. Now for your Sunday, still 70s for those temperatures, but winds start to subside right around 5 knots out of the southeast, and waves in the morning around 3 feet down to 1 by the afternoon. And it looks like those protected waters and bays are smooth for your Sunday. So in between the 2 days, Sunday's the better of the two, but I still think overall weekend conditions are looking pretty good on the water. Again, there is the opportunity for some fog along the coast this morning, and that's going to be the same as tomorrow too, so look for coastal fog. That might be the only marine impacts. Now for us inland, again, we see those clouds and fog break by late morning. We're into some sunshine, and you'll watch as we head into the afternoon. This is 3 o'clock. We're starting to get a few of those cumulus pop up, and notice there's our shower chances across the Wiregrass in western Georgia, and then parts of the Suwannee Valley. In between, I think it's going to be hard to find any showers, so overall those rain chances look very limited for us right now. It's all because of this summer-like pattern where we've got high pressure that is just off the coast. Coming up in the next half hour, we're going to talk about how that moves. It impacts our weather. In the meantime, we do look at a very warm day ahead with partly sunny skies. Don't forget, we lose an hour of sleep tomorrow as daylight saving begins, and we have no big rain chance until we get to the end of next week. A lot of heat. We'll be right back.